Hello, everyone. You seriously need to see this best 2Pcs headlight cover. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it is absolutely impressive. They used high-grade, durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. See the deal in the bio and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll